And over here is just some food trash that I need to throw away today with this food disposal cart downstairs. And then I have more food trash. And I actually bought some ice to drink at home. I think you saw me drink coffee earlier. Did you? I can't remember. I'm just recording as I go. But yeah, so this is the ice thing for my iced coffee that I buy from basically a corner store in Korea. And I got a bunch of food. I was going to finish cooking everything at home and then just throw out all the food items and cooking gear that I don't need, because the place that I'm going, there's like a bunch of cooking gear and things like that. But I figured since eating out is a little bit expensive, which I don't mind if it's good food. I did go out for like really good food earlier in the weekend, last weekend. But it's not always the most healthy food, and I don't really feel that good if I eat like a really delicious cream pasta or something like that. It gives me bad stomachache, just like this morning. So instead, I decided that maybe I could cook some more, not because I need to, to save money, but I love saving money when I can. And I love eating healthy food, and then I feel better. I feel like I have more energy. So I bought a bunch of healthy stuff that I'm going to be cooking some more. But this also means I have to compromise on wanting to declutter all my kitchen items, which is where we're going to go next. So here's my kitchen, and one of the things that changed is that there is literally nothing except for some pre-packed rice that I'm going to eat all of it. I usually eat 2 to 3 normal meals a day. I don't really snack that much, except maybe on like fruit, like cherries. So they're gonna be gone. And over here, there's nothing. And in my cabinet, literally nothing at this point. Everything is out. And over here, there's just a vent. And over here, there's nothing in the cabinets. You've seen this. If you've been following my channel, you've seen me go through everything and show you guys how I really don't have anything extra stashed away. This is mold killing Clorox, which I killed some mold in the bathroom. I thought about just leaving the bathroom as is and not really bothering to clean or declog or something like that. But I thought I'm better than that, and I'm a better human than that. So I'll make the effort to be a better human and clean for the next tenant. And also, it's nice to be in a cleaner place, so I can show you guys how clean my place is, and then also enjoy that myself. So. And here's my laundry detergent. I'm almost out, but I'm not worried about it, because should I need more laundry detergent, which I do use a lot of laundry detergent, there's always the Dr. Bronner soap, which I kind of packed away in the box, but as you saw, the boxes are open, so I can always pull out things that I need. I'm actually surprised that I even have that much stuff. But those are like all my possessions, including books and things like that, which I eventually plan to read all of my fun books and then getting rid of them. So that's that. But here in the kitchen, this is the only thing that I'm going to be keeping, besides the spoon and fork and takeout Ziploc container that's in the box packed away. This is what I'm actually using as I cook on a daily basis. My spoon and chopsticks, and then this foldable knife, and this bowl. I love this bowl. It's like plate bowl. I can drink soup out of it, I can cook out of it, and it's like a plate, a stir-fry dish. It's everything. It's a perfect size. It's very light. I was very intentional when I came to getting a bowl and a plate. This one I got for someone that was with me, because I didn't want them eating out of like plastic cup or something like that. But I did think about I'm going to be the one eventually keeping it, so I did think about the shape and the lightness. I had like a light bowl, salad bowl thing, but I did cluttered it. I think I showed you guys in the last video, and I talked about whether or not I wanted to clutter that bowl, because I've only been eating out of this, and which I did, because it's always okay to upgrade in life if the item is no longer serving you. And you just thank the item and then you move on. So that's that. Over here, these will be decluttered before I move out, but it's some plastic bags. There was a lot of it and I've been using it, so it's for like taking out trash, storing food items, or anything that I might need for this. And then I also use it as like a plastic glove. I just put my hand in the bag and then I'll like drain like the drains, or I'll clean the bathroom, but I don't want to get Clorox on my hand. What I will do is I'll just use this as kind of like a semi-glove, which is funny. But yeah, some salt and pepper. They will be decluttered by the time I leave. And I'm almost out of this dish soap, which I'm really excited about. I've been pretty good at using them up. And then over here are my frying pans. Now, I thought about keeping one of them, but I really am not going to be needing them whenever I move, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to declutter them. Someone else can use them, I'm sure. And over here is my inspirational note. It says, what do you really want? Really, really. Because sometimes I forget what it is that I want, and it's like a chronic problem of mine. But anyway, over here is some trash that I gotta throw out. And this shopping bag is basically my gym bag. You can see the glove that I use. I mean, not the glove, the mask that I use specifically for the gym, because it gets like a little bit sweaty. And I put each of my shoe in a plastic bag, which makes them really easy to carry. We're supposed to wear indoor sneakers. That's why I have them packed away. So I will just go to the gym wearing these sandals. Hi world. I'll wear these sandals and then I'll just go there and then change, and I'll throw some socks in there. And over here in my entryway, there is nothing. Ooh, nothing in here. And those are the things that came with the apartment, which will stay here as is.